Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about how to launch a campaign quickly from one of the quick start campaigns that you have access to. I'm here in my campaigns page, and I'm gonna start with our most popular one of the most popular set of campaigns: how millennials respond to direct mail. Note that the Quick Start is a set of two campaigns. One is a capture leads campaign, which is the landing page where the leads are captured, and the other is a drive traffic campaign, which is your email and social media posts that will drive traffic to this particular landing page. So let's start by looking into the landing page first. I will open the capture leads campaign. You will see that this is the link. It's already copied and pasted into the campaign. This is the link to the white paper or the lead magnet, as you can see right there. So with that said, we will next check out the landing pages. Make sure Quick Start template is selected. I'll also make sure a form is selected that shows your, and actually this thing, I never like this, so I'm just going to delete that. But if you want, you can keep it. And this is the section where you can type anything about your company that you want to promote, but we have provided some basic text here. Next, you go to the thank you page. Again, make sure that a template is selected, and this button will take you to the ebook. This button will take you to the campaign. You can promote your own social media here by selecting the template with the social media over here, and then any of these links will essentially take the customers or your visitors, landing page visitors, to the social media pages that you have saved in your settings section. Again, visit our help article on how to handle the settings section, how to set up your social media information in the settings section, if you have questions on that. Next, we have the page settings, where you can set your own domain. If you don't want to use the domain that we have provided and you've purchased a domain for this landing page, you can set it up here. Finally, for social media sharing, you can set up your link to this landing page for sharing on LinkedIn or Facebook over here, that you can send out the share through your drive traffic. Make sure you saw me click on that red border. So as long as the red border shows, it essentially means that the image is too big to show in the social media window provided. So we kind of resize that. This is where you can put your content here. Anything that you want to change, you can change here. You can also change the domain that shows up here, but default domain shows up as davinci.mindfighting.com. But again, this article describes how to set up your own domain, and I will change the domain here, social.my-dv.com, and this article describes how to do that. So you have to kind of follow through that, and then when it's done, you can save it. Now, so this is the landing page. Then we have the emails set up. Again, the emails are normally turned off, so you should turn them on. And then you should make sure that we have the correct template selected. This has the email quick start selected, and then this other one, we should make sure, see, the email is not selected. We need to make sure that we have selected the same email quick start template here. Also, we have to select who the email is coming from. I will choose my own email here, and you can see when it's going, as soon as the form is submitted, this email will go. This first email will go as soon as the form is submitted. If you want to send it an hour later, you can do that, or maybe 5 minutes later, you can do that. And this email will go 3 days after that, as this says. You can change that to go to 5 days or whatever. It's going to everyone who has submitted the form, but I'm going to change this to only to go to those people that did not open my first email, because this is the same email I'm sending as a second touch, and maybe I should not send it to people that have already read it. So with that said, I'm going to save this, and now I'm ready with my Capture Leads campaign. If you want to preview it, you can go back to the landing page, and you can just click on that link, and it'll show you how the campaign will look when a visitor comes to take a look at it. Now we are going to go into the drive traffic campaign, which is the which is the second one of the set. This is the drive traffic campaign. As you will notice that the drive traffic campaign has a mandatory call to action, which needs to point to that Capture Leads campaign that we just set up. So it's already pointing, and it's got the personalized URLs turned on. Again, there's an article here that describes what is personalized URL, and you can go through and read it. If you want to add your UTM parameters for Google Analytics, you can add them here. So that's my call to action. I'm going to come back to that. So I have 3 emails set up. You can see the second email goes to if any of the previous emails is not sent. The third email will go after 8 days if any of the previous emails is not clicked, and those settings you do over here. First of all, let us pick templates for the emails. Let's make sure we have the email templates selected, and from address. Again, I'm going to choose my own email. Then I want to see this email will go in 3 days. We got to pick a time. So let's say I'm going to have it go at 7 a.m. in the morning. 3 days later, only people who did not open the email. I'm going to make sure I have a template chosen here, and that. And then I am also going to make sure my third email is all set to go. It goes 4 days later than the second email. Again, let me pick a time, and I'm going to pick 9 o'clock for the second day. Just want to vary the time a little, and this will only go to the people who did not click on any of the previous emails. I'm going to change that to go to people that did not open any of the previous emails. Again, I'm going to pick a template and make sure we are all set with that. So with that said, I can also set up my Facebook page here by connecting to Facebook and by picking a page. You can also set up your LinkedIn by signing into LinkedIn, and it'll ask you to validate certain things. And then once you've done, if you have set up pages, it will, or if you want to send it to your personal page, you can just choose it. You can type in some comment here. You can set it up to go on a certain day and time. Let's say 10 a.m. and this is You can choose hashtags from the list of hashtags in the My Market section. Again, there's you can go to the My Market section and read the articles to see how to do that. I'm not going to get into the details of that just yet. And then your Drive Traffic campaign is also all set up. It will send 3 emails and a post to LinkedIn. Now, at this point, I am going to my list. I have set up some list. I already have uploaded lists in my contact management section. So assuming you know how to do that. If not, please go to the contact management and again read through the help text or call support. I have chosen a list from what I have. I've chosen a date and I have chosen a time when this email is going to go, and I'm going to save it. And once I'm going to save it, the email's all ready to go, and it will go out on today is 12th of January that I'm doing this. So this will go out 2 days later. Oh, the other thing is the list is turned off, so you need to make sure that you turn it on, otherwise the email will never go. So just turn it on, and then it will go on 14th of January at 7 a.m. It will go to these 6 people, this list that I have set up. So that's about it. As you can see, it's fairly easy, straightforward. Let me know if you have any questions, or give us a call in the support hotline and let us know. Happy lead gen. Bye-bye.